and that's the start of a chemistry. I am talking, you were smiling.
Oh boy, I beg, make I call you back.
It's a love at first sight. It's a love at first sight.
Hey beautiful, how you doing? Actually, like when I just saw you, I don't know, I just really fell in love. This has never happened to me before. I am really head over heels about you right now. I just really want you.
Actually, I feel the same way.
Are you serious? Damn! So what?
But there's one thing.
What's that?
You have to meet my mom. But I'm very sure she'll like you.
She'll like me, eh? I can't even wait. Like, I actually really just want to get married to you. So, how and when do we meet your mom?
Right away.
What?
I've spoken to my mom and she would like to meet you. Oh yeah, come, let's go.
Leave me! Yeah.
It's a love at first sight. It's a love at first sight.
Thank God it's a dream. Oh, okay, this Daniel song is even playing. No, stop first. Yeah!
So babe, when are we going to meet my mom?
No!
It's a love at first sight. It's a love at first sight. Daniel, tell them I am dancing, you are dancing.